Hi, today we will see easiest way for home automation. We can control any home appliance by voice command or by pressing buttons in smartphone also. So let's make it. For control the mains voltage appliance we require relay module. I make simple 2 channel relay board. You also can make more channel relay board. You will find the diagram in description. After that, we also required Arduino Uno. HC05 Bluetooth module. This is 3.3 logic level. Two channel relay module. If you made this, then don't forget to remove these solder pads for more insulation. Then 817 optocoupler. Then some resistors and breadboard. First of all, upload this code to Arduino. You can use any Arduino board. You will find this code in description. Select the correct board, COM port, then upload. As you can see, code is uploaded. Now it's time to make all connections. Make all connection according to diagram. You will find diagram in description. This is very simple way for home automation. You can use this project in your home. This is demo project, so I add only 2 channels, but you can add many channels as you want. Watch the video till end. We also need some work on mains voltage, so be careful. If you don't understand any point of video, then feel free to comment. I will definitely help you. Use some insulating tape so no chances for getting shocks. All connections are done. Now let's test it. This is first application. Connected. Light on.
Light on.
Light off.
Light off.
Fan on.
Fan on.
Fan off.
Fan off.
Both on.
Both on.
Both are turned off.
Both are turned off.
This is another application. This is all in one, so use this app. Now for button control, you have to configure the buttons. For that, long press the first button. Then add these commands. For second button, same procedure, but commands are different. Configure another button like this. You will also find application link in description. Then done. Now let's test it. First of all, you have to configure. For that, you have to select the Bluetooth module. You will find both options, voice command and buttons. You can use any. First, we test buttons. Now let's test voice command. Light on. Light off. Both on. Both are turned off. It's working perfectly. If you have any question regarding to this, then feel free to comment it. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this project. Share with your friends and subscribe for more interesting projects and tutorials.